Hey friends, if you wish to enable screensaver on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now, screensavers are very common earlier, but it is not as common these days. And the reason is that we do not need them. So even if you leave your desktop screen as it is for, let's say, few hours, it won't impact them because we are using LCD or LED monitors. The monitors which needed screensavers were CRT monitors. They would heat up very soon. However, if you still wish to enable them to hide your work, then here's what you can do. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. Select lock screen, and then there's an option for screensaver here, and you can reach the screensaver settings. Alternatively, you can simply search for screen saver and click on change screensaver, and this is the option where you can change the screensaver from, like you can select bubbles, and you can select mystify, and a few of these are translucent screensavers. A few of them will completely hide your screen. You can change the wait time, which is 1 minute by default, but it is better to keep that as 5 minutes. And then you can click on apply and then on OK, and you can also preview these. So this is what the screensaver would look like. Click on apply and then on OK to save these screensavers. And if you wish to remove them, then obviously return to the same page and select none as the screensaver, which means that there is no screensaver on your system now. Click on apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.